Paragraph formatting is a process of organizing and arranging text in a document to follow a stipulated pattern. It is a process that uses alignment, bullets and numbering, spacing and indentation commands to make documents presentable. Paragraphs help writers to organize their work in a readable and logical manner. It is used to describe an idea in a series of sentences. A paragraph could contain about 250 logically organized words that explain an idea. There are about 7 types of paragraphs depending on the purpose of your writing. Hi friends, I am Casey Kamak. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the following paragraph formatting styles. The Pilcrow or paragraph marker, bullets and numbered lists, indentation and alignments, paragraph borders and shading. Stay put as we load the tutorial. In a Word document, a paragraph is created whenever the Enter key on the keyboard is pressed while entering text. Paragraphs formatting is an important part of setting up your document. It makes a document look elegant and admirable. Before we continue, take note of the commands we shall be working with. Bullets list, line spacing, left alignment, center alignment, justified alignment, right alignment, numbered list, multi-level list, indentation levels, paragraph shading, paragraph border, and paragraph dialog box launcher. Then the show or hide paragraph marker. Paragraphs can be created by using simple number lists or by using Pilcrows to form simple descriptive sentences. When a group of paragraphs is logically joined together, they form a document. Therefore, paragraph formatting is important to make your document presentable and appealing to your audience. In our first topic on this particular tutorial, we look at paragraph marker or Pilcrow. When adding text to a document using the keyboard approach, the carriage return key is usually pressed. Whenever this key is pressed, that is the return key in Mac operating system or the Enter key in Windows. Whenever it is depressed, a Pilcrow is formed. In a Microsoft Word document where the before and after paragraph spacing is 0, there will be no clear indication of the end and beginning of a paragraph. This makes it difficult to determine where a paragraph ends and begins except in documents that use indentation. If you are faced with such a situation, you can easily identify where a paragraph ends by using the paragraph marker or Pilcrow. This is the essence of the Pilcrow. It makes it easy to identify where a paragraph ends and begins. Having understood what the Pilcrow does, let us look at how to show and hide the Pilcrow or the paragraph mark. To show or hide the paragraph marks in a document, do the following. On your current Word document, go to the Home tab. Under the paragraph group, select the paragraph mark icon. The paragraph marks will appear at the end of all the paragraphs in your document. If you want to turn off the Pilcrow, select the paragraph mark icon again to hide the Pilcrow in your document. The Pilcrow will be turned off. In summary, you learn how to use the paragraph mark or Pilcrow to detect the end and beginning of a paragraph. As you try to catch up on how to show or hide the Pilcrow, let's take a break and return while I introduce you to how to use bullets and numbering in your Word document.